Hello student, welcome back. Let's continue the topic landslide. In simple language, landslide meaning the down of site of a mountain, and according to your book, landslide is the mass movement. Mass movement meaning heavy movement which displaces material like rocks or debris. Debris mean broken pieces. Where in the hilly area called landslide. And what is the reason behind it? Earthquake, flood, volcanic eruptions and heavy rainfall. This is case study, a massive landslide at Kedarnath in Uttarakhand. Read it yourself. Next is mitigation mechanism, means step or effort to reduce loss. How can we reduce landslide? These are steps. First is construction of retention walls. Retention wall means control, जो wall protect कर सकती हैं slides को. Next is afforestation, meaning plant more and more tree. Next is drainage control. Drainage control meaning control the heavy rainfalls, जो पानी के साथ soil आ जाती है उसको control करना. Next is soil. This is the second natural resource according to this chapter, and it's made by wear and tear of rocks, dead animals, dead leaves, increase the fertility of soil, and this is called humus. Next is soil formations. The process how to soil formed, कैसे बनती है? It's a very slow process. It take thousands of years. हजारों साल लग जाते हैं क्या बनने में? A thin layer of 2 to 3 centimeter. And soil can be different at different places in color, in texture and in fertility. And these are the reason behind this difference. First reason is climatic condition, and climatic conditions have 3 points: rainfall, temperature and humus formation. In the rainfall we can say if an area receive heavy rainfall, it means that area has unfertile soil, क्योंकि उसकी जो ऊपर वाली layers है वो wash हो जाएगी. Next is temperate, meaning area if receive very high temperature, for example Rajasthan, or very low temperature, for example Ladakh. So this type of area also have unfertile soil. And next is humus formations, where we find dead leaves, dead animal plant at that area has rich in fertile. Next is parent rock material. Parent rock material mean original rock से जो बनते हैं, and ये original rock define करती है color of soil, texture of soil. And chemical property. Chemical property meaning that can be saline in nature or fertile in nature. So these are chemical property of a soil. Next is the leaf feature. What is the meaning of leaf feature? A leaf feature which are related to landscape of these area. For example, the high altitude region has mountainous soil. Drainage of water will be fast than flat area. Flat area. So यहाँ पे rock particle deposit नहीं हो सकते in the higher altitude, but flat area में वो easily deposit हो जाती हैं. Next is humus that I had already explained. Next is time period. This is the big factor. बहुत बड़ा factor है ये. So older soil are deeper, found deeper. So जितना time period ज़्यादा होगा, जो पुरानी soil है वो नीचे नीचे होती जाएगी और उसकी जो layer है वो thick बनती जाएगी. Next is soil profile. there is a one figure which show different layer of soil. So this is the top soil which contain humus, minerals, and this is B subsoil. This soil is poor in humus and rich in mineral. In this portion we can find silt, clay and sand. And third layer, यहाँ पे हमें ना तो डेड लीव्स मिलती हैं ना प्लांट मिलती हैं. एंड लास्ट इज bedrock. Bedrock is the strong base of the soils, जो सबसे लास्ट वाली लेयर है. नेक्स्ट इज बेटा soil of India. In the soil of India we have 6 type of soil. First is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil we can find in the northern plain and coastal plain, which were carried by the various rivers, and it's very fertile. Second is black soil. Black soil we can find in northwest part, mostly in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Its alternate name is Regur, and it's best for cultivation of cotton and sugarcane. Third category is red soil. Red soil, its look red in color due to high iron content. इसमें iron के particle होते हैं. And it's not fertile, but it can be made fertile. इसको fertile बनाया जा सकता है by regular use of organic and chemical fertilizer. Fourth category is laterite soil. That soil we can find in the area who have received heavy rainfall, like north east area, जैसे हम जिसमें मणिपुर, मिजोरम, चिरापुंजी, मेघालय, that side area. These area soil undergo process of leaching. Leaching means जब उसकी जो टॉप लेयर के पार्टिकल है by the water उसको इरोड कर देते हैं. सो इसके कारण जो इसके न्यूट्रिएंट हैं, सॉल्ट है, मिनरल्स ड्रेन्ड आउट ड्यू टू हैवी रेन. सो दिस इज पुअर इन फर्टिलिटी, तो वो फर्टाइल नहीं रहती है. सो दिस इज ओनली स्पोर्ट ओपन ग्रास लैंड, पेस्चर्स एंड shrubs. Fifth type of this soil is mountain soil. That type of soil we can find in the hilly area which are covered with the forest, and this soil is rich in humus, and these places is suitable for cultivations of tea, coffee and fruits. Last category is desert soil. Desert soil found in the hot and semi-arid area, mostly in Rajasthan. This is very porous. Porous जिसमें से एयर अच्छी तरह से पास हो सकती है, and it cannot hold water. ये पानी को कैप्चर नहीं करके रख सकती, and it's not a fertile. Next is depletions of soil fertility. Depletions meaning कि soil fertility कम होने के पीछे reasons क्या हैं. So first reason erosion. Erosion जो soil की ऊपर की layer है वो wash out हो जाती है by the two reason. First is water, second is wind, and other reasons are deforestation, overgrazing. These are other reasons for loss of soil fertility. So this is all about soil factor. In the next topic I will explain how to conserve this soil. Thank you.